The iconic 480-metre Park Road Boardwalk between the Noosa National Park and Hastings Street is a renowned world-class public asset. Following a $7.5 million upgrade, the Park Road Boardwalk reopened in November 2018 after years of planning and community consultation. A critical element of the project was to preserve the natural surroundings and deliver an environmentally sustainable enhancement to the iconic walk. This required a detailed survey of all trees, use of flora and fauna spotters and arborists, with all contributors understanding the significance of the project. The Noosa Park Boardwalk was awarded the Project of the Year for Engineering Excellence at the 2019 IPWEA-Excellence Awards.